Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 mouse double-click not working. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Open mouse settings. Change to middle under double-click speed. Second method is Open File Explorer, click three dots, click Options, click General tab. Check double-click to open an item, click Apply, click OK. Third method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key current user, click and expand control panel, click mouse. Open double-click height, change value data to 4. Open double-click width, change value data to 4. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand mice and other pointing devices, right-click mouse, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.